Hey there, I'm going to be heading out on the bike onto a multi-day adventure up into the Bradshaw Mountains. This should definitely be interesting. It's on dirt road and this will be a first for me. Come join me. So I'm just gonna head down the trail for a couple miles and then I'm gonna get off onto the road. The road's gonna take me up around the mountains into the Lake Pleasant Boulevard. From there, I can actually take it to the edge of the city where the true adventure begins. Good morning. I love the city, the way they designed this. Yeah, those aren't exactly cool. All right, riding back through the last part of suburbia. Been dealing with a headwind a little bit this morning. To be expected, it's actually going to get worse as I get up into Crown King. Hello. Anyways, hello. It's definitely a heavy wind. I think right now it's probably about 12 miles per hour in my face. Yep. I think I'm gonna find a little place to duck out here. Perfect spot to get out of the wind for Green Break, as long as it's not a wind tunnel. Wind's been in my face for the last hour, for about anywhere from 10 to 15 mile per hour winds. So stopped under here, take a quick green break, drink some Pepsi. All right, made it to the 303. No thanks to Mother Nature here. All right, the wind is definitely getting worse now. Made it to Highway 74, so I'm gonna be going left to Lake Pleasant. All right, I'm on the road again. It's been several months since I've been on the road. That right over there is the dam for Lake Pleasant. So that's Lake Pleasant Dam. It's holding back, I don't know how much water, quite a bit from blowing into Phoenix. It's one of our reserves. All right, found this little, it's like a gardener stake off on the side of the road here. I'm gonna see if I can save its life. It's warming itself up. Yeah, he's still pretty cold, but I'm gonna get him out of the road so he can live another day. Come on, Mr. Stinky. Made it to Castle Hot Springs Road. Good morning, cactuses. Yeah, saguaro everywhere. I always think it looks like they're waving good morning. Stopped off here for a quick break in the shade. Definitely doing some climbing here. Onward and forth. Woohoo! I made it to the dirt, guys. Well, almost. It's a little bit up here. But yeah, woohoo! 25 miles of road on mountain bike tires that are not really efficient for road, but hey, most of my trip is going to be off-road. There she is. Yep, that's where the off-road adventure begins right there. Good times. Nice. Okay, ate a couple Slim Jims, ready to go again. Got some water. Onward and forth down this path. Oh yeah, and take some PSA out of the tire. Right this moment. Yep. All right, made it to the north end of Lake Pleasant. There she is. Trust me, it's a lot bigger than that. It's just the northern tip of her. But yeah, made it to Lake Pleasant. Gotta change out of these pants. I'm getting really warm. I'm gonna cool myself down so I don't go through so much water. But yeah, you get a good view now. That is the Bradshaw Range. I'm essentially trying to ride up, I guess, to the top of that today. There's actually pine trees up there, believe it or not. But right at the moment, yeah, I'm gonna change. Looks like a good changing room. And whatever, I got my boxers on. All right, onward and forth. Confidence these birds have in me. Circling around me, waiting for me to die here. Not yet, guys, not yet. I'm still good, still got my water. I knew if I went far enough out of the city, I'd find a hike bike section. Yep. And this is how I go up things that are too steep. Maybe be doing this for a while. Maybe a hiking adventure. Kind of build into a bikepacking adventure. Ooh-wee. I got this. I got this. I'm about 33 miles in now. Trying to look for a place to take a small lunch break. Got me some peaches and I had frozen. Should be nice and cold now, but one problem about the desert, needs your lack of shade. It was supposed to be cloudy today. Cool, found these old abandoned houses, ranch houses. Man, what a beautiful spot. Why would anybody ever let that go? Wow. So yeah, let's head up there and check that out. Maybe that'd be a good spot to take a break, some shade. Hopefully there's no bees. Okay, tried to go through this door over here, but each time I do, like wasps come and start dive bombing out at me. See, maybe if I walk in real quiet like. Oh wow, yeah, this is an old adobe house. Yeah, there's one of the wasps there. Let's just go in real quiet like. Yeah, nope. Fuck off. Fucking wasp. Yeah, it's pretty wasp infested. Started hearing like loud buzzing as soon as I tried to go in. Let's see if I can take a look somewhere else in here. Watch out for sneakies too. Yeah, this is an old adobe house. See, yeah, there's the mud. Somebody must have thought there was treasure in the floor there. They dug it out. Let's see if I can go in this way. I'm not being warned by wasps, at least. Wow, yeah, old wood floor. Huh. This thing is definitely dated, dude. We don't we don't build things like that here. We don't build things here like this anymore. We got the old wood walls and wow. It must have been one hell of a dreamy house though. Looks awesome. I mean, I guess I just like the area. Which one of those wasps again? Take a look over yonder. Oh, there's the bathroom. So they definitely had water up here. I wonder where they got water from. Yeah, ma'am, you're missing a whole back wall there. Wasps. I don't like wasps. Yeah, so they were definitely getting water from somewhere. Not too sure where. Oh. I mean, there's cattle right off over there too. Anyways, I found shade though, so woohoo! Get to take a little break here, as long as the wasps don't get too mean. You little lizard. I found another property. One of them looked pretty beat up. I'm not going to check that one out, but the other one on the other side looked really cool. Had a looks like it had a little fire, outdoor fire area and everything. So I don't know. Let's go check it out real quick. Here is the place. That's the little fireplace I was talking about. This little thing is like actually kind of buried partway into the earth here in Allah we trust. Yeah, not too sure what this was used for. Could have been some kind of storage for food or something to keep it cold. I don't know. Let's go check out the house. Hopefully we don't get bombarded by wasps on this one. Let's see the kitchen. Somebody left the door wide open. There's the window. Ooh. Is it a rat or something? Wow. This place is definitely dated. Shoot. A little bit bigger than I thought it was going to be. Hello? I wonder if it's haunted. Let's go this way. Wow. This one's in a little bit better shape than the other one. Somebody tried boarding it up at one point, but I don't know what the point would be anymore. You can see the adobe's coming apart there. Let's see, that would be, yeah, that's the front door there. It's got like a little screened in area out here. Not bad. I think that's like a kitchen there. Let's go that way. So this was like somebody's pride and joy back in the day. And we got the kitchen. Yeah, I'm gonna say the kitchen needs quite a bit of work here. Yeah, missing quite a bit of stuff. Let's go. That is rat droppings or what? Wow. Yeah. It's definitely dated. I can't see in there. I'm not gonna go in there. The bathroom. Somebody broke the toilet. And last but not least, looks like a front room here. Oh, that's pretty cool. I'm gonna take the window back out, maybe, if there's wasp lets me. Man, there's a lot of wasps around here. Just... All right, and I'm out on this weird side yard thing. Walk on this top of a pile of wood. See if anything rattles. Yeah, no, nothing rattled. Yeah, it's a pretty cool place. Once upon a time, it's a little wrecked at this moment. Yeah, it was a pretty cool little rest area. Anyways, got about, I don't know, 15 miles or so more to go, and pretty much straight up several thousand feet. Yeah, it's not the miles, it's the altitude change that's going to be the hard part. Ha, I knew there was water nearby. You see cattle? There's going to be water to keep those guys going somehow. Nice. So, learned my lesson on past tours of passing up water sources. Not again. I'm gonna fill up my water bag and see how many of my containers I can fill up. Nice. Mosquitoes, but nice, it's flowing. Just gotta get over there to get it. Bye-bye, life-sustaining water. Oh, those are definitely some cool looking mountains out there. Nice. Nice and quiet, except for a little bit of a breeze, which isn't too bad because I keep overheating over and over. I have to go into walk bike mode because, well, my head feels like it's gonna essentially pop from boiling. Anyways, onward and forth. There's the Bradshaw Mountains right behind the bushes there. Got this donkey up ahead staring at me. There it is. Oh, maybe two donkeys. Yeah, this whole area up around Lake Pleasant, up against the Bradshaws here, is actually a donkey preserve. I guess the old miners, a lot of times when they were done in these areas, they just left the donkeys. They ended up breeding and doing quite well, actually. So yeah, they roam around out here wild like. Hi guys. Oh man, I am out of breath. Yeah, I didn't get stuff there. Yeah, I gotta walk the bike here in a second. Oh, I'm tired. My head's hot. Yeehaw. Yeehaw. Stopped off here in the shadow of this saguaro cactus for a little bit of rest. Man, these the altitude climb is killing me. About 41 miles in. I don't know how many feet up. I don't know. You can take a look out that way. I've just been climbing and climbing and climbing. But yeah, I was overheating, so I stopped in the shadow. We're gonna take me a quick rain break, drink some water, try to cool down. Sun is kicking my butt as usual. I'm not too sure what the temperature is, but hopefully here, I don't know, I think in an hour it should crest behind this mountain range. But yeah, still climbing up, up, up and away that way. So yeah, I'm gonna get my composure to me, see if I can unbonk and push as far as I can, like actual push. I can ride the bike a little bit, but then I overheat, have to get off and start pushing it. It's real slow. Yeah, I knew there were gonna be a lot of hiking bike. All right, guys, I am absolutely bust. I did not make it to the pines, as you can see. I think I'm in almost high desert. But yeah, you can see the pine trees up there. Whew, man, that's a heck of a more of a climb. Yeah, I don't have the energy or the strength at the moment, so I'm gonna set up camp here, kick these cow patties out of the way, and get me some dinner started. I'm pooped. That was up really hard. Got the tent set up, got my food started. Of course, the wind's making that difficult. Built me a little fire ring. This is life. Got my fire. Got my chili. What else do I need?